recent presidents ng bansa natin, I could easily say na si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos yata yung isa sa pinakamabait na eh. It's very far from being a dictator. With all due respect to the people who are saying na dictator si President Bongbong, nakakalungkot kasi na, mga tayong mga Pilipino, we are attacking yung kapwa Pilipino natin. For what? Oh, let's stop for a minute and think about it. Bakit ba sinasabi ng ibang tao na diktador si Pangulong Bongbong? Dahil ba may basihan o dahil ba may interes ng paninira sa kapwa? In reality, ang kalaban nating mga Pilipino nasa labas ng bansa natin. We should look outside our borders who are trying to bully us. Yung mga ibang bansa na nagsasamantala sa atin and people and Filipinos who help